April Fool's Day. Pranking fun. It's early spring. Your chili ends up buried under a pile of salt. You're the victim of an April Fool's joke. April Fool's Day is on or near April 1. It's the one day of the year to play jokes or pranks on people. A common joke may be replace the sugar with salt. When people see that it's a joke, yell April Fools. Put salt water in a cup and when the people sleep.
No.
It is called April Fools.
I think he said it is sugar water.
I don't say so. This is salt water.
Yes.
Why April 1st? No one knows why April Fool's Day is on April 1. It may once have marked the coming of spring. People were often fooled by the changing weather at this time of the year. Another idea is that April Fool's Day began when we first started using the calendar we use today. The start of the new year moved from the beginning of April to January 1. People who still celebrated New Year's Day on April 1 were called April Fools. Gotham goes mad. One story tells how April Fools may have started in the English town of Gotham. King John planned to take villagers' property. The villagers act like they suffered from insanity to scare King John away. In those days, insanity was thought to be contagious. Whoa, look at this Tower of London. But I see it's full of lions. Many celebrations were held in the past near April 1. The ancient Romans celebrated the longer days of spring. They dressed in costumes and played jokes. In Europe, in the 12th century, people celebrate the Feast of Fools. A fake ruler led flowers in a parade. People celebrated in this way until the 16th century. Century means long ago.
Yes.
Well, tips to avoid being the April Fool. If you were sleepy, I would make you wake up and then I will give you this box. And I will put some flour on it. Then you said, ah!
Paint my face?
Yes. Have you read it carefully? Do you really believe there is a cross between a sheep and a pig called a sheik? Do you get the feeling you're being watched? Be on your guard. Careful. That present may not be what you think. Today, people celebrate April Fool's Day differently around the world. Scottish Scramble. In Scotland, April Fools can go on for 2 days. On April 1, people in Scotland send friends on foolish tasks. The second day is for playing more jokes. French foolishness. In France, April 1 is called April Fish. The fish is a person who is easily fooled. People tape paper fish to each other's backs. American tricksters. In the United States, the fun lasts all day. Tell a friend that class is canceled or punched holes in his or her water bottle. Other jokes may be to put oil on doorknob and food color in milk. You may find plastic bugs in food or on your bed. Brazil's Day of the Lie. In Brazil, April 1 is Dia de Metre, Lie Day. People enjoy playing practical jokes or brincadeiras on each other and tell silly lies all day. Jordanian jokesters. On April 1, 210, a newspaper in Jordan had an interesting front page story. It reported that 3 spaceships had landed in the desert nearby. Some people in the town were not used to April Fool's prank and got scared. The newspaper apologized for the story. Caesar Bredar. The Iranian calendar is very old. The 13th day of the Iranian New Year is called Bidar. It falls around April 1 and has been around since 536 BC. On Bidar, families and friends share picnics, pranks, and fun. It might just be the oldest known joke day in history. Famous foolery. Some April Fool's jokes are famous. Spaghetti tree? In 1957, a British TV show described a spaghetti tree. When the show was over, many people called the station wanting one. Corporate jams. I don't know. I need to say that word because I don't know.
Chaos. Chaos.
Corporate jams. Companies and the media fool people too. On April 1, 1996, Taco Bell said that it had bought the American Liberty Bell. The company said it would now be called the Taco Liberty Bell. Many people believed the story. The company had to say it was a joke. But before this, they had a game called Pokemon. So that's why I make Pokemon Go. In 1996, Burger King showed an ad for a left-handed burger. Burger King. They said it made left-handed eating easier. Online pranks. Internet April Fool's joke spread fast. One of Google's famous jokes was a drink it said made people smarter. Why don't you let me play Pokemon Go? Why? It's a game. But you always like to play games.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
In 2012, a radio station said that Twitter was changing to 133 characters per tweet. It was a joke. In 2013, Twitter said it would ask people who use vowels in their tweet to pay more. This too was a joke. Even Pokemon Go began as an internet joke in 2014. Said that people always play Pokemon Go, like my friend.
Okay.
Why he can't play Pokemon Go?
I think he use a smartphone and it is have
He is naughty. Google Maps said it had a tool that would find the best Pokemon master in the world. Conclusion: follow certain rules during April Fool's Day. Don't be mean. If you're going to make a joke, make sure you can take a joke in return. Many places around the world enjoy April Fool's Day. Keep it safe and fun. Just look like a mustache.
bear.
No, bear is here. Mustache is in the no.
Okay.
Celebrated did something special to honor an event. Costumes, outfit worn to match the style of a specific time, place, or event. Famous, well-known media, mass communication, such as newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and the internet, through which information is given to the public. Pranks, trick or practical jokes. A person or other animal harmed by an act or condition. Someone who is fooled or tricked. Writing. Write a letter to a friend. Describe an April Fool's joke, not including in the book. Sure to make that homework. Be sure your joke follows the rules described in the book.